All right, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the ice dispenser that comes up from your door of your Whirlpool ice maker. Right now, clearly you can see nothing's happening, so I'm gonna show you guys a few things you can check first before you need to replace that ice auger. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is just take that ice tray and just kind of shake it a little bit to see if anything loose is coming out of that bottom part right there, and just make sure that it's in there correctly, and then we're gonna try it again. Clearly not working. All right, so now you're gonna take the ice tray out again, dump out all the ice again, and then just turn this cork thing to make sure there's no frozen parts. And there was a little piece of ice stuck right there. It looks like it might be frozen a little bit, so make sure that it's turning, because if it's not turning properly, that's why it's stuck. Hi, Clyde. He likes ice. All right, so you're gonna dump that ice back into the ice bin, and we're gonna replace it into the refrigerator. Clearly not working. So if those things don't work for you, then we're gonna have to take this ice auger out. It's super easy. We're gonna check the connections first. So first you're gonna take those bolts out. There's 4, there's 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. And then you're gonna go ahead and remove that auger, unplug the plug from the refrigerator and pull that thing out. Alrighty, we're just gonna check these connections to make sure they're in there tightly. There's these 2 right at the top, the little ones, and then there's a bigger one at the bottom. Just push those in and make sure they're in there, and then go ahead and turn that back part to make sure that it's moving. And then we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Make sure the light bulb is at the bottom, plug that sucker in, and then we're going to just hand screw the bolts back in just to get it started. So I'm just gonna put one on the right side at the top and one at the left side at the top, and then go grab your drill with a bolt attachment. I've got this awesome Ryobi. I love Ryobi everything. It's so inexpensive and it lasts. So just screw those bolts back in, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and we're good to go. Replace that ice tray and plug your refrigerator back in. Okay, let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. It worked. It worked. Those wires were they weren't pushed in enough. And oh my God, I cannot believe I just fixed that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope this helps. Yay, ice, I did it.